Most people think they're pretty secure. But when it comes to authentication, there's actually a clear maturity journey, and most people are still at the beginning. Let's walk through the 6 stages of secure authentication. Stage 1. Single password everywhere. You use one password for everything. If one account is breached, everything is compromised. This is where most people start. Stage 2. A few reused passwords. You rotate between a small number of passwords, slightly better, but still highly vulnerable to attack. Stage 3. Unique passwords and a password manager. Now you're using a different password for every account, and you store them in a password manager. This is a major step forward. Stage 4. MFA enabled. You add two-factor or multi-factor authentication on top of your passwords. Now, even if your password is stolen, attackers still need a second factor. This is where strong security really begins. Stage 5. Synchronized passkeys. Now you move beyond passwords entirely. You use passkeys stored in a credential manager that synchronizes across your devices. This is secure, user-friendly, and resistant to phishing. This is where most people should aim to be. Stage 6. Device-bound passkeys. For your most critical accounts, especially your master account, you use passkeys that are tied to a specific device. This prevents them from being exported or stolen. But it comes with trade-offs. Less flexibility, more reliance on your physical device. This is for high security use cases. Security is a journey, not a switch. The goal isn't perfection, it's progression. If you're not using Password Manager and MFA yet, start there. And if you are, your next step is Passkeys.